Uses of water. Number 1, for drinking purpose. Number 2, for dish washing. Number 3, for cooking purpose. Number 4, for watering plants. Number 5, for washing clothes. Number 6, for hydroelectricity generation. Number 7, to take bath every day. Number 8, for cleaning floors. Number 9, for farming. Number 10, for washing vehicles. Number 11, for bathing pet. Number 12, to put off fire. Number 13, for brushing teeth every day. Number 14, for cleaning fruits and vegetables. Number 15, for washing hands to remove dirt. Number 16, in industries. Number 17, water in the seas and the oceans are used for transportation. Number 18, for swimming. Number 19, for flushing the toilet. Importance of water. Number 1, without water, life couldn't have sustained on this planet. Number 2, Earth is abundant with water as 71% of it covers the surface. Number 3, however, most of it is saline, which we cannot drink and is found in the ocean. Number 4, we have limited fresh and drinkable water sources, so we should always save water.